I try to record this as the problem I want to get the consult. This is the application dependency model. I use this version 2 try to show the API in the middle. The consumer application is here and the provider application is the left. I use this static architecture map to draw these three API. On every API, I build this link and they are exchanged the same the information. So actually one is the request, one is the response. It is displayed correctly here. For example, when I click this I go to see this is the first information, is customer data from the left to the API as a response, and this is the same. I just use the same, which I suppose this can be the way we display. Also show this data exchanged. But the problem is I saw here is when I switch to this ACE as the in the middle. So for example, I see some strange. So when I click this one, AC is here. I see this application. In the right is the consumer. So they have this connection. So here is again the same. The number 1, number 2. But the problem is this 3. So when I click here, it's the number 2. This is number 2. This is number 2. I don't know how the correlation is to the right, because when you see here is if I back to this again. So what I made this model is also the same here. So here should be the number 1 and the number 2, number 3. And here should be the number 1, number 2. So this link is I need to refresh, but the correct display is from this application provide information to the middle one. The direction is correct, but just this one. So if I move this again, so you see here. So sometimes it didn't show any information. So you'll see here is correct, which is linked to the information representation. But here, oh, now it's correct. But sometimes, oh no, it's just different. Now they come to the all go to the number 1. So it looks like the left is always go to the 1, the element, not the one-to-one mapping. So when I click here, now you see here, sometimes when I refresh, is load no information. So it just showed data exchange, nothing. So I want to know is whether there's anything I should investigate in more detail. Thank you.